And listen. Who came over here acting you know with that? Let's give it up for MC Grandma, everybody. Okay, real quick, before we get back to our scheduled performance, any poems in the pocket? Now is the time. Anybody have a poem in their pocket? They want to come up and recite it? Young lady in the back? Come on. Young man in the front? Go first. Let's go. Don't forget to tell them your name. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget, when the people are up there and they're performing and they're reciting their poems, we want to be as quiet as possible. As quiet as possible. So when you feel you got anybody's attention, you start. You wait until everybody's quiet. Then you start. Okay? Look at the whole mic.
My name is Jason and I made it myself. Oh, shadow of majestic canyon, your view of the chicken stuck before my very eyes. Oh, shadow, you are a majestic canyon. As slow as your bright feet, oh, shadow, you are a majestic canyon. Making them down the destination, the
Good job. It's not easy to come up here. Stop.
पार्टी के पास कोई दोस्त भी नहीं है,
Ready?
बहुत लेडी हो।
So it goes.